this is the course where we are going to discuss about the software testing. Okay, right. So other name where we are going to call it is a testing tools. So what are the topics we discuss in this course? So there are two modules are there. First module where we are going to discuss about the manual testing concepts. Around 20 days we are going to discuss about the manual testing concepts. After this manual testing concepts are completed, then in module 2 we are going to learn the automation testing. This is going to around 35 days will have. Okay. Now in manual testing, what we are going to learn? So from the scratch to, so that means even though you don't have any IT related knowledge, we are going to learn from the basics here, manual testing concepts to agile methodology, so V model, so testing life cycle, how to identify the test scenarios, how to prepare the test cases. So these are the things from the scratch we are going to discuss. So into project, I will go and explain to you in the real time. So what are the templates we are going to use to draft the test scenarios, to prepare the test cases, to execute your test cases, how we can do defect reporting. Defect reporting purpose one tool, Jira, we are going to prefer. So like this, these are the concepts where we are going to discuss. So manual testing. So mainly, when you come to the manual testing, it is completely theoretical orientation concepts. All about learning software testing related vocabulary. All about learning the software testing related vocabulary. Okay. Now here, only 25% of manual testing practical orientation is there. Like how to identify the test scenarios, how to prepare them, how to identify the test scenarios, how we are going to. So test cases preparation, test to data preparation, like this we have. Okay. Coming to the automation testing, here we are going to learn the Selenium WebDriver. Along with core Java concepts also will be discussed. Because without have the Java concepts, we can't work on the tool. Like this concepts also where we are going to discuss. Core Java concepts. So in Selenium, we are going to discuss the different kind of frameworks. Page object model framework. So TestNG framework, page object model framework, TestNG framework. Then we go for the data driven framework. So Cucumber framework, hybrid framework. These are the things where we are going to discuss. Okay. Now it is completely practical orientation when it comes to the automation testing. So apart this, we go for the some API testing. Also, we are going to discuss in this class. Okay. Now, how to set up the Selenium tool in our system, how to do the configuration. These all things I will go to explain in the class. So beginning of the class only, we are going to see it is. Any doubts do you have about this? Do you have any doubts? Do you have, Arvind?
No, right now there is no doubt.
Okay. Now, you have already some Java knowledge, no? So, okay. So what we learn here about this, we are going to focus on the how to work with the Maven, Jenkins, how to go for the GitHub repository. So third-party tools to create the reports like extend reports. These are the other portion also we are going to cover in this class. Okay. So now,
We have to learn Maven and Jenkins for Selenium tool.
yes, yes.
It is important or it is
Mhm.
optional?
That is, so Maven is mandatory. In the real time, we prefer the Maven only to provide the
Okay.
required dependencies. Okay, otherwise it is going to be system dependent. That will be the problem. So we have to go for the Maven. We are going to use for continuous
Mm.
integration purpose. We are going to use the CI tool.
Okay.
Mhm. GitHub is the repository like this. Okay. Now I'm waiting for other students to join. If not, okay, no problem. So, what are your thoughts here? Just you want to know about the software testing, or this time is okay for you to continue the classes? No?
See, I have to go to office timing is 10 o'clock. That's the reason today I have to stay for, I ask for a permission in the office.
Okay.
Is
Mm.
there any chance by 9 o'clock or
9 o'clock is not there. 10 to 11 is there. That is
10 to
okay.
11?
Uh,
Okay, 10 to 11. Okay, I will manage 10 to 11.
okay. So tomorrow there is no session. So
Okay,
When the Friday we have the session. Friday you can join the class. So 10 o'clock with software development life cycle. Or 2 days you continue this same start weekends, no? So Monday onwards I will go to club you into that batch.
okay.
Mm. So so because in this batch only one is there, no? So there is other batch. Just I explained of 3 4 classes are completed in that batch, 10 o'clock batch. So that is the reason you join Friday. I will going to cover this portion Friday and Saturday, so that Monday onwards you can join 10 to 11 batch. It is.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So more need to join. When the year ending, no, everyone is they have their own plans. So you can't say that they are not joined. Maybe Okay, Aravind. So tomorrow there is no session. Friday, use the same link to join the class. No? I will go to start the subject introduction there. Okay, detailed way we are
Okay.
going to start. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.